The government has admitted that the container houses have taken a while to get to the persons impacted by Hurricane Melissa, but insists it had to conduct its due diligence during the verification process. One of the containerized houses were handed over to a resident in Westmoreland earlier today. Kimberly Petty has the details.
This is what's left of Glenville Forest's home after Hurricane Melissa ravaged sections of the island. The 74-year-old man who's unable to walk was forced to stay with his neighbors in their unfinished home. Today, Mr. Forrest is a homeowner once again after being one of the first recipients of the government's container homes in Westmoreland. His daughter Charmaine accepted it on his behalf. She says the home will bring much needed comfort and relief to the family.
It was ackling with my father because of knowing that he cannot walk. It was so struggling, especially with my stepmother. It was so rough on her, but to manage him, to lift him up.
The government came under heavy criticism by the opposition due to the length of time it was taking for the container houses to get to the island, so shelteries and schools could be relocated. Minister with responsibility for land titling and land settlement, Robert Montague, explained why.
Yes, the process has taken a little while to get going, but this is the first time we are attempting something like this in Jamaica on this scale. And therefore, there are a lot of I's to dot and T's to cross, because you will always have the set of persons who want to find fault. You cannot get away from those. And they play their part in the governance structure. So we ensure that we verified and made sure that the persons who have been selected have been properly verified.
Following a visit to the Shoebury site in Petersfield, Mr. Montague said 20 units have been committed, 10 of which are 90% completed. A total of 50 units were promised. He further explained that the units come in 3 different types.
You have a 1-bedroom, which can be converted to a 2-bedroom, and we are reserving those for families and in the cluster situation. Then we have the studios, which is this unit bought by the ministry, and then we have another unit, which is another studio, donated as a gift from the government and people of China.
Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Central, Dwayne Vaz, who has been vocal about the delay of the distribution of the container homes, says he's anticipating the speedy provision of the units.
Persons are really anxious as to when they will be getting the benefits, because many persons are still out there living under substandard conditions. You would have seen that the many tarpaulins are in place on your passing, so many persons are still out there desirous of this level of attention and this level of help.
Over 1,400 modular units were procured by the government to assist the families displaced by Hurricane Melissa. Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.